Here are some of the joints that I redid. Came out a little bit better, little pinhole there, but yeah, I think they came out better the second time around. These are the welds on the other side. Again, they came out okay. Not bad for a hobbyist. I did end up putting some welds on the back side of those verticals just to kind of help the bowing, kind of bow it a little bit towards the front, but put some weld metal on the back side, and it helped counteract the bowing that occurred towards the front. Here's some mark shots. I ended up using some 3/32 6010s here, and due to some of the gaps, some of these ended up being kind of like an open root. It wasn't intentional, just kind of happened that way, but again, they turned out all right. Most of them, anyways. I know the angle's off, but the camera's in the way, so couldn't get too much of a drag angle. Kind of like straight into the joint, almost. It's hard to tell from the camera angle. It looks like it's at 45 degrees, but wasn't so much. As you can see, it's barely running a tiny little keyhole there, but I mean it carried along fine. Was that one part right there? Didn't like how it came out, so again, ground it out and redid it. Yeah, came out better second time around. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Check out the next part.